Have you ever wondered just how smart animals really are? Some can solve puzzles, others use tools, and a few even have their own way of talking to each other, just like us. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of animal intelligence. I'll share 5 incredible facts that will leave you amazed and completely change how you think about the creatures we share this planet with. Fact 1. Dolphins and their unique names. Let's start with dolphins. Did you know they actually have names? It's true. Dolphins use special whistles to call out to one another, and each dolphin has its own unique whistle, just like we have names. This is amazing because it shows how advanced their communication is. Scientists believe these whistles help dolphins recognize each other, even after being apart for years. Imagine meeting an old friend after a long time, and they still remember your name. Dolphins can do that too. This discovery is groundbreaking because it proves that dolphins have a social system much more complex than we once thought. It's another reminder of how intelligent these creatures really are. Fact 2. Crows and their tool-making skills. Next up, let's talk about crows, birds that are much smarter than they might seem. Crows are one of the few animals that can actually make and use tools. For example, scientists have observed crows picking up sticks and shaping them into hooks to pull food out of hard-to-reach places. In one incredible experiment, a crow bent a piece of wire into a hook all by itself to grab food from a container. This kind of problem-solving shows just how clever crows are. They don't just react to their environment, they think ahead and find creative ways to get what they need. It's like having a tiny engineer flying around in the skies. Fact 3. Octopuses and their problem-solving abilities. Let's dive into the ocean for our next incredible fact, octopuses. These fascinating creatures are known for their amazing problem-solving skills. Octopuses are escape artists. There have been stories of octopuses slipping out of aquariums through tiny openings, finding their way back to the ocean. They can even open jars to get food inside. Imagine watching an octopus use its tentacles to unscrew the lid of a jar. It's like watching a genius at work. What's even more impressive is that octopuses can learn from experience. If they figure out how to solve a problem once, they'll remember it the next time. This ability to adapt and think things through shows just how intelligent these underwater creatures really are. Fact 4. Elephants and their memory. Now let's talk about elephants, animals famous for their incredible memory. There's a reason people say, "An elephant never forgets." Elephants have been known to recognize people or places even after decades. For example, there are stories of elephants greeting humans they haven't seen in years, showing they remember faces and emotions. They can also recall old migration routes and water sources, which helps their herd survive during tough times. But it's not just their memory that's amazing, it's how they use it. Elephants form deep emotional bonds with their families, and their strong memories help them stay connected. When an elephant mourns a lost friend or protects its herd, it's a reminder of just how intelligent and compassionate these gentle giants are. Fact 5. Bees and their navigation mastery. Finally, let's take a closer look at bees, tiny insects with extraordinary skills. Did you know bees use something called a waggle dance to communicate? When a bee finds a good food source, it doesn't just keep it to itself. Instead, it returns to the hive and performs a special dance. The direction and length of the dance tell the other bees exactly where to find the food, even if it's miles away. This behavior is incredibly complex and shows how well-organized bee colonies are. The waggle dance isn't just about sharing food, it's a key part of their survival. By working together and communicating so precisely, bees ensure their entire hive can thrive. It's teamwork at its finest, and another example of how intelligent even the smallest creatures can be. From dolphins to bees, animals show us just how amazing and diverse intelligence can be. Each one, in its own way, proves there's so much more to the animal kingdom than we often realize. It's fascinating and humbling to see how creatures big and small solve problems, communicate, and thrive in their environments. So, which of these facts surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more incredible insights into our world. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.